Are you thinking about trying Notion to help increase your productivity in your business? Well, a few months ago, I let you guys know that I was going to be switching from Trello to Notion myself. And over the last few months, I have been playing around in Notion, getting used to how it works, as well as seeing how and if my favorite Trello boards translate well into Notion. And this week I thought I would show you some of the best resources that I've found so far to help me get used to Notion, customize Notion, and start seeing if it's going to work for me. So stick around. One of the first resources that I found when I got started with Notion was the Notion Reddit community. It's a great place to ask your questions and see what other people are asking, get inspiration for board and page ideas and things like that. It's something I highly recommend you check out if you're getting started with Notion. The second thing I would say is, just like you found me on YouTube, there are so many YouTube channels out there that are doing videos about different things and different ways that you can use Notion. One of the things that I've used it for the most, to be honest, is getting used to the formulas and the way that automation works in Notion. Because like I've said in earlier videos, I'm used to things like Trello and other kinds of platforms where the automation is more kind of like a conditional logic kind of format. I have worked in formulas before, but they're not my forte. So I can always come up with and dream up these crazy things that I would love to do, but creating the formulas and understanding the formulas is not always easy. So in addition to going to Reddit for help with formulas, I absolutely go to YouTube channels for some of the more common or the types of formulas that a lot of people are going to be using. I absolutely have gone to YouTube for that because I personally tend to learn better from a video than from somebody just giving me a formula or, fixing my formula. So some of my favorite channels to follow and watch for that purpose are Better Creating, Thomas Frank Explains. He also has a lot of great resources when it comes to formulas beyond just his tutorials. He has like real explanations, just like his name says. He has really great explanations of formulas and how they work. And then also Productive Dude. And I believe from what I've noticed that all three of them, well, definitely Thomas, I'm not certain about the other two, are also partnered more so with Notion than perhaps other people like myself who are doing tutorials. They get access to early access testing and beta testing, and you can tell that they are working kind of more hand in hand with Notion. So it's really great to learn from people like that. The third resource that I found is Indify. And this is a great place to grab some free widgets. So they can help you create widgets for all kinds of things. In fact, it's not even create, you can customize their existing coded widgets for, as you can see, weather, clocks, progress bars, all sorts of things like that. And it's pretty aesthetically pleasing as well. So you do need to create a free account on this one, but I find it worth it. I have not upgraded to any kind of paid plan with them, if that even exists. I haven't gone far enough in to see if that's even a thing with them, but I'm sure it is. And surprisingly, the last two resources that I'm going to mention are actually Pinterest and Etsy. So on Pinterest, it's a great place to get ideas. You can see what kinds of templates people are creating and selling in many cases. But sometimes, if you know how to do it yourself, sometimes you just need to kind of see somebody else's template to kind of give you ideas and inspire you and things like that. So I absolutely love kind of going down the rabbit hole here and finding fun templates. And then when and if you want to purchase templates that are maybe a little bit more aesthetically pleasing than some of the ultra functional but not very pretty kind of templates, then Etsy's a great place to go for that. You can see they have all kinds of different things. All of the resources I just mentioned, I'm going to link below in the description for you so that you can check them out as well. But I'm still new to Notion, so what I want to know is, what are the best resources that you have found so far? Let me know in the comments. The online tools for your business do not need to be complicated or overwhelming. It's time to let it be easy.